When dealing with water leaks in a manhole, there are several important factors to consider. Here are some key points to keep in mind. First, why do you need to do anything? Water leaks in manholes can have several negative impacts with cascading effects. Infrastructure damage. Continuous water exposure can corrode pipes, walls, and structural components, leading to sinkholes, washouts under roadways, and other forms of degradation. Increased maintenance costs. Water leakage into sanitary sewer systems imposes an avoidable burden on municipalities' water treatment plants, resulting in unnecessary financial expenses that ultimately fall upon the shoulders of taxpayers each year. Furthermore, infiltration reduces the capacity of collection systems for actual sewage. Environmental concerns. Leaking water can carry pollutants, contaminants, and sewage, potentially affecting nearby bodies of water and ecosystems. Now that we know the impacts, let's find out what we need to know. Before doing anything, we must prioritize safety above all else. Inspection crews must adhere to OSHA requirements on confined space entry before attempting to assess any internal leaks. Once the area is deemed safe and secure, make sure to use appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, before entering the manhole. Next, determine the source of the water leak or leaks. Is it groundwater infiltration or surface water inflow? Identifying the location of the water leak can help in understanding the severity of the issue and selecting the appropriate measures for repair. Grouting is used as a long-term solution for infiltration. Understanding the causes of infiltration in manholes is crucial for effective remediation. Some common causes include faulty joints or seams, unsealed pipe penetrations, defective seals on inlets, outlets, and pick holes, cracks and defects. Typically, if a manhole has infiltration, it can be remedied using injection grout. Addressing infiltration in manholes requires approaches that are both efficient and effective. Here are some potential grouting techniques used to remedy manhole water leaks. Expanded gasket placement technique, variable pressure application technique, curtain grouting application technique, probe grouting application technique. Aside from the probe grouting application technique, each technique manual can be found online at avantigrout.com. In summary, infiltration in manholes can have significant consequences on infrastructure, city budgets, and the environment. By prioritizing safety, accurately identifying the leaks, understanding the causes, and implementing appropriate solutions, it is possible to effectively manage and mitigate infiltration in manholes using injection grouts. Regular maintenance and proactive measures are key to preventing future leaks and ensuring the longevity of the manhole infrastructure.